Welcome to everybody. You're welcome to this video. This video's aim and purpose is how to test the transformators working. How to we can make sure 100% that transformators working properly. First of all, let me. Okay, this is that transformator. First of all, we can measure the ohmic resistance of this transformator. How we can do this? By ohm meter. I bring you ohm meter. Here you are. Ohm meter. Raise it high. Okay. This should be on ohm meter. Okay. This is a temperature meter. Release it. Impressive is this. This is now on the ohmic resistance meter. This black and red wires, between black and red wires, resistance will read by the multimeters relevant drivers and circuits and processors. And this is output voltage of this is a decreaser transformator. Truly this is decreaser transformator, and these wires are in terminals of this transformator, and this is center tapped transformator, and if we are use to these wires, we will gain 6 volts AC output, and if we use these wires, we will gain 12 volt alternative with alternative current mode. What we can do to make sure this transformator is working properly? First of all, I will tell you at all 3 ways to you can make sure your transformator is working properly. If you can reach your transformator that is in the of your system. And more impressive than previous things is that you should make sure the error from the by side of the transformator in your circuit or in your system. Truly, some of the door iPhones of some homes uses this mode of transformators to work properly and do their works properly. First of all, we can measure the ohmic resistance of this transformator. I will change part of view, POV. You see the ohmic resistance of this transformator. First of all, we know one thing at first, that this transformator isn't have. So first of all, we know these wires of this transformator is connected to each other, and we haven't open circuit in this output location of this transformator. See, ohm meter will know and measure this. This needs to, I use it. I should use this to I can have two hands in my work. So let me see the ohm meter, please. As you can see, we have a stable ohmic resistance between these two wires. Between these are showing with black wire of the multimeter and this. And next, yes, even this is closed circuit. So first of all, first of all, we know that we can make sure from working properly of the transformator is using from ohm meter. Okay, and we got the wires, and this transformator is working properly at first. So one of the three ways is told to us that this transformator is working properly, and tuned way is the testing in the real circuit. Yes, you should put this transformator in your circuit relevant to your purpose and aim from creating the circuit and using from that is the you should put this transformator properly to your circuit. If this transformator in your circuit doesn't work, that tell you this transformators often the wires of the transformators is creating open circuits. Copper wires of these basic transformators is split from each other, and this problem makes the I told you my experience, guys, everybody. I told my experience to you that in often probabilities the wires of the open circuit wires of the transformators creating problems. And third way is the physically open your transformator and physically open your transformator and repair your you should repair your transformator. Open your transformator. This is ironic base set. This is iron core based transformator, and this iron core and iron layers should be closed by yourself, and you should create this transformator from first fully relevant to your aim and purpose and your interests. This was it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe this channel and suggest my videos and channels to any person that you sure, and even little sure that person loves these things. Everybody, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. By anyway, judge is yours. Always judge is yours. Bye. Thank you for watching.